So here we are at EHI Live. We've got a huge array of vendors and trades on show with the latest in digital technology. And we've got a Code for Health village here where people can come along and see what's happening within the Code for Health programme. Code for Health is an initiative started by NHS England, and it's all about bringing together individuals into a community who have got a common requirement around health or social care that they'd like to solve through digital technology. We've put clinicians, patients and carers at the centre of the next generation of health and social care. Currently we've got around 29 Code for Health communities that we're supporting and providing resources and expertise to.
There is a great need for clinicians who understand IT better and IT specialists who understand clinical medicine better, and Code for Health is a really good way of getting those communities together. It isn't about teaching clinicians to be full-time coders, and it's not going to teach any full-time coders to be able to do surgery. But what it does do is bring them both closer together, start to build some bridges and get them out of their offices and into the same rooms.
Putting clinicians at the heart of building the software ensures that the products are fit for purpose for them and that they're useful and usable. By making better software, by enabling that software to be built and shared more efficiently across the NHS, we can actually make better use of it and save money in the long term.
As a community dentist, in my clinical practice we work with paper records, and actually that causes huge frustrations. I connected with the Code for Health team. I started realising if you've got a problem, you can work with software developers to actually work a solution through. And I suppose for me that was just like a light bulb moment. I realised that you can take your idea and actually find a solution.
We've got an out-the-box solution with the Azure cloud to be able to grant access to our communities to start developing straight away without the need for all of that technical support, on-premise servers and difficulty that goes with that.
It certainly makes a difference not having to lug an actual physical server. You can just spin up all the resources you need from a laptop.
We were really quite surprised at the very, very mature approach that Microsoft have taken to the whole open agenda and open source. It was a real eye-opener for us that the Azure platform could even support these open source technologies and the open approach. I think Microsoft understand the importance of open technologies going forward, and the team within Microsoft have been highly supportive of this whole initiative going forward. I really believe that this approach is the alternative delivery model to deliver the next generation of health and social care systems.
Through communities like Code for Health, people are all talking about the problems that they have. So we have Chief Clinical Information Officers in trusts, developers and the Health and Social Care Information Centre talking to each other.
I feel hopeful that we can actually make a change, that we can, take some of the frustrations of clinicians and solve the problem.